Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you guys the most requested video, and I did an Instagram poll for this video as well. So here it is, the makeup video for beginners. This video will help you guys a lot if you are a beginner at makeup, because that's how I learned doing makeup, and this is what my regular makeup looks like, and this is my go-to makeup for every occasion. So this video will be really helpful for you guys, so do watch it completely and leave a thumbs up. I hope you guys will enjoy it. So let's get started. So the very first step we need for starting our makeup is applying a sunscreen. Hydrating your skin and protecting it from sun rays is really important. Some sunscreen on your face before starting the makeup. So after doing this, we need to do the concealing of under eyes and the upper area of the eyes as well. So I basically use this Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. Till now this is the best concealer I've been using. So what you need to do is, make a triangle below your eyes, okay, and put one line on the eyes. So using a beauty blender is a good thing, as it blends the concealer, the foundation really well into the skin. And make sure you use the concealer one shade lighter than your skin tone. Tap the sponge and not do like this, you need to do like this. And the sponge should be wet, damp sponge it should be there, not that wet. So just see how we need to do this. Just press it and don't do it, swipe it, you need to just press it. So we are done with the concealing of under eyes and the eyes. Now after this we need to enhance our eyebrows. I'll be doing it with eyeshadow, black and brown eyeshadow with a specific brush. So for eyebrows I use this brush. You can see, take a small amount of black color and a small amount of darkest brown color in your palette. So filling the middle part of the eyebrow. So what you need to do, take the slanting part like this and make strokes like this. You can already see a difference in both the eyebrows. So eyebrows are done. You can see there's a very good difference. Okay, so after you are done with the eyebrow thing, you need to go for the eyeshadow. So you guys can see I'm taking this shade. Take a small amount on your brush, tap off the excess, place your brush on your eye, and what you need to do is move this brush in circular motions. This helps in blending the eyeshadow really well. After this you need to go for mascara. You need to do the mascara before the eyeliner or the kajal. I'm using this mascara from Faces Canada. So the mascara is done and it gives a really good look to the eye. Always do the kajal till this part and do not make it till this part, because the eye looks bigger if the kajal is till this thing. Okay, so the kajal is done. Now for the eyeliner part, if you need a normal eyeliner, that's quite easy to do. I usually do a winged liner, so you can see how I do it. So stretch your eye, make a line here, okay, and the eyeliner is done. Now the last step for the eye. So the eyeshadow you applied needs to be applied on the lower lash line as well to give your eye a fuller look. Your eyes look much bigger and enhanced. So take the same color in a smaller brush. You can use a BB cream instead of foundation or concealer, but I prefer concealer instead of a BB cream or foundation. So this Fit Me concealer does the work for me, and I don't need any foundation after this. I just apply the concealer all over my face and blend it really well. Blend the concealer or the foundation really well. So after the concealing is done, the next step I follow is contouring the face. Contouring is basically used to give a structure to your face. This is my contour, blush and highlight kit from MyGlam. So the highlighter is in very bad condition. Okay, so take the contour, the bronzer. I usually don't prefer liquid contouring. I go with the powder one. Just take it from here till here. Okay, you can see the line from here till here, and then do a little blending. You can see a difference. This thing looks enhanced compared to this part. So this is how contour works. Now the places we need to do the contouring is this part to enhance the cheekbone, this part to enhance the jawline, the sides of our nose to enhance the nose to make it look sharper, and if you guys have a big forehead, then you can use the contour here to make it look small. So how you need to do is just simply do it like this. Apply the contour till here and do the blending. So I take a thinner brush, take the contour, and what you need to do is draw a line like this. You can see a line. You can take this part to enhance the nose more on the other side. And you can see this gives a really good shape to your nose. Take some blush, start here and do it in a round manner. Now we need to do my favorite part, the highlighting. Take a small amount of highlighter, dab the extra part, and with a very light hand hold the brush from the center. With a very light hand, just do this. Highlight the tip of the nose. This looks really good. Also for the eyes, use the highlighter below your eyebrow and on the inner corner of your eye. Okay, so we are done with the face as well as the eyes. Now the lips are left. That's quite easy, but I would suggest before applying any lip shade, you guys should really hydrate your lips. Apply a lip balm. So I usually apply this lip balm. So I prefer lip lining. It enhances the lip shape. Now I'll apply two shades on my lips. One, the darker one on the corners of my lips, and in the center I'll use a lighter shade. So I'm using these two shades. One is pinker and one is in nude color. So you can see how fuller my lips look right now. This is the technique to make your lips fuller. I really love this. My lips are looking very good than usually doing a one lip shade. So yes, we are good to go. You can see how normal the makeup is. It is really good for a date night, a date lunch, or an outing with the friends or any college festival. So this is my go-to look, and as a beginner, I guess this video will help you a lot and will teach you how to do the contouring and highlighting, the main steps of enhancing your makeup, plus doing the kajal and liner.